Well, it's that time of year. Are you ready for winter? I guess that doesn't really matter. You're going to need to have your house ready for winter. Well, it's getting to be that time of year. You can feel it in the air. The days are getting shorter. Temperatures are going down a little bit. It won't be long before we have snow here in Minnesota. And as a homeowner, you really want to be ready for winter. So I have a few tasks and a bonus for you that will help you be more prepared for winter. Number one, and hopefully you've already done this, blow out your irrigation system for your lawn sprinklers. You don't want those lines freezing and costing you thousands of dollars in the spring. Next one is the outdoor spigots on your house. What you want to do is close down the valve inside and then open up the faucets so that you don't have pressurized water in those lines, which would also freeze. Another thing to do is to take a look at your furnace humidifier, if you have one of those, and turn it to the wintertime position, as well as looking at the filter pad that's in the humidifier and make sure that it is fresh and new. It's a great idea to change those out every year. The next thing to look at would be the air intake screens for your furnace. And you'll find those along the outside of your house. They'll often have a metal hood on them and a metal screen that guards the furnace from bringing in all sorts of debris during the year. But what it does is it ends up pulling pollen and dust and dirt against that screen. And it's a good idea to take a brush every fall and brush off that screen and make sure that it gets free, the air gets in there freely. Another good one to do this time of year is look around the eaves of your house on the outside. A lot of people get bees' nests or wasps' nests in the eaves. They're not very active right now, so this is a great time to take those down. Either spray them down or take them down with a long-handled broom or something that you can scrape them down with. And then my last bonus item is make sure you've got ice scrapers in your car. Every year, it seems like I get to the first frost or first snow, and I've forgotten to put the ice scraper in the car. So that's my bonus tip for homeowners for your safety. I hope you have a great day, and I hope that you are prepared for winter. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video useful, helpful, or even entertaining, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe.